Alright, I'm back with a new video. This is about the oil change on a Polaris Slingshot. It's real simple, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people don't want to deal with going to the dealership and all that stuff. So I thought I'd make this quick video. The oil filter that you'll need is here. It's for the 2012 Chevy Equinox. So you have this one, which is you see there's the part number there. This one runs about 14, 15 bucks, but they also have another one. Well, this is the part number for that. They also have another one. It's like 10 bucks or whatever. And you can use any 5W30. I run full synthetic on mine. So this is what I'll be using. The jack point, get your jack. You can use this bar here as your jack point. Remove your cap from there, jack it up. You should have a plug under the bottom. It's a 15 millimeter socket, and you'll also need this. What this goes to your oil filter on this side. This is a size 32 millimeter. You can get this actually on Amazon for, I think it's around 10 or 11 bucks. So you have a 32 millimeter for your oil filter, whatever it's called, on top. So you can get that off. And you have your 15 millimeter for the plug under the bottom. And the inside, this is how the filter look. So this is your filter here, and it'll also come with the ring. So the ring is on this side. So this is your ring. I run the XL because it gives me a better oil flow. It's on the Slingshot. Obviously, you know, this is an open vehicle, so it just gives me a better, you know, flow or whatever when I'm on the highway. Have the new piece coming for that today. So I'll also show you guys how to install one of those just in case. So get my engine together, got the cover taken off right here because it's got to get repainted. You know, so over there on this little thing or whatever. So get your jack stands. If you have a strong enough jack, but I don't trust none of this stuff, you jack it up. Put one of your jack stands on under one of this bar or this bar, and got your oil, you know, pan here. So I'll show you guys that in a second. As you can see, it's your drain plug here. Just break that loose, and the oil will come out. So you get your oil coming out. Let it run out. Let it do its thing. You have to keep your boat. Don't let your boat drop in the pan. So what I like to do is I like to go up top, and I like to go up and open my air filter. I mean my oil filter. Sorry about that. So that way I get a better airflow of emptying it out. Place here. Hook it on. Break it loose. Break it loose. Hand screw it off. And it should all come out as one piece. And voila. There you go. Simple. Honestly, you know, without me holding this camera or whatever, it should take maybe 6 minutes total. So you take that, make sure this goes in first. So it'll be like that. And that'll be pretty much it. You know, I'll show you the final steps before I wrap it up. But if you guys are looking for any type of mods, anything like that, that's going to be going on with the Slingshot, this will be the channel. I'm gonna be bring you a few things. I'm gonna show you guys how to install, you know, manifolds, change out spark plugs, ignition coils, air filters. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you those things. I know it's thousands of videos out there, you know what I'm saying, talking about lights and wheels and all that stuff. I'll show you guys how to do it, you know what I'm saying, for the same price that if you paid a professional, except you can just do it yourself. You guys have to remember, this is nothing but a Chevy Cobalt engine. That's all it is. You can mod this thing however you want without spending so much money on a turbo. You know what I'm saying? Turbocharge or anything like that. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing against, you know, turbocharge because they're made that way for a reason. But I'll show you ways to get extra horsepower out of your engine without having to do any major upgrades. You know, manifold, you know, just going to the exhaust. It's super easy. I'll show you guys that air filter and all this stuff. So stay tuned. Put it back in. Wipe it, make sure no excess oil, little stuff is on it. And then, got your oil. Put the new one in, make sure you press all the way down until you hear those clicks. There's 3 pins on the inside. So just press it down all the way till you hear a click and it'll be in there. You take it, time to put it back on. Hand tightening first. That way you don't strip it. Always good to hand tighten. If you feel any type of resistance while you're trying to tighten it down, that means the threads you're threading it wrong. And the last thing you want to do is thread it wrong, because this actual piece is plastic and this is metal, and you'll strip your piece or whatever. You don't want to do that. And just take this, couple good turns, and it'll begin to, you'll feel it. Once it feels like it's resisting, don't tighten it anymore, because once again it's plastic. Use a towel, just clean up. Now time to put that oil in there. Put your oil, putting the oil back in. You don't want to use this one. You want to use something like this, because it sits right in there. If you try to use this, you have nowhere to go. So you always want to use like a half cone or whatever. Yeah. Time to get the point. Pour slow, you know, ain't no rush. Top back on. Now, start it up. All right. Start it up, let it run. You know what I'm saying, so the oil will circulate. Walk around, check, make sure that there's no leaks. So make sure nothing's leaking or whatever. But yeah, instead of going to the dealership, this could take you 6 minutes. Took me so long because obviously I'm recording. Paid $35. That's the oil I gotta clean up for when I took it off. Paid $35, you know what I'm saying, versus going to the dealership and they charge you $70, $80, which is freaking ridiculous for some regular oil. So wrap this video up. You guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know about anything you want to see come to this channel or whatever. trust me, I'll do it. So just share the video. All right, thanks.